making money online has become more accessible than ever before. With the advancement of technology and the internet, there are now countless ways to earn money online. In this blog post, we will discuss some of the most popular methods of earning money online. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to earn money online. It involves working on various projects as a contractor. You can offer your skills such as writing, graphic design, programming, social media management, and many more to potential clients. There are various freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, where you can find clients and projects. Online surveys are an easy way to make money online. Many companies conduct surveys to gather feedback about their products or services. They pay people to complete these surveys. You can sign up on survey websites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars to start earning money by taking surveys. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn money online by promoting other people's products. You can sign up for affiliate programs of various companies and promote their products on your website, blog, or social media platforms. You will earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The world while making money online. You can monetize your blog through various methods such as advertising, affiliate marketing, and selling your products or services. Online teaching has become increasingly popular in recent years. You can teach various subjects such as language, music, and academic subjects online through platforms such as VeepKid and Teachable. You can also create and sell your courses on platforms such as Udemy and Skillshare. These are just a few examples of the many ways you can earn money online. The key to success in earning money online is to find something you're passionate about and be persistent in your efforts. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your online venture into a profitable business. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and continue with TriTech family.